Hi friends, today we're going to read a silly story about a skeleton who has the hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? They're not easy to get rid of. Let's read to find out how Skeleton gets rid of his hiccups. Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Collier, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. Skeleton Hiccups. Skeleton woke up, had the hiccups. He took a shower, still had the hiccups. He brushed his teeth. Oh, still had the hiccups. He polished his bones. Oh, how annoying. He raked some leaves. Oh no, still had the hiccups. He played with his friend Ghost. Oh, still had the hiccups. How annoying. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath." Oh, it didn't work. Eat some sugar. Oh, that didn't work. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. That didn't work either. Drink some water. Upside down. Oh, that's not working. Ghost made a face. Ghost said, "Boo!" Nothing worked. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. He found a mirror. He held it up. Skeleton screamed, "Ah!" Shh. Do you hear anything? It worked. The hiccups left. It worked. The hiccups jumped away. Hooray! The end. What was your favorite way to try to get rid of the hiccups? Thanks for listening.